Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to install Payfast payment gateway so that you start people start paying you on your online store online without paying direct deposit. Sometimes a person can come to your website and purchase a product and you receive your money from Payfast. You get me? They don't even have to call you or what, as long as they know your company. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to go to that website, to your website, whatever website. Let me show you this one of the first website I installed Payfast in and how it works. So you can go to view. The website is called Viewtotech. You can visit it.com. Also, you try to play around with it and make yourself familiar with how Payfast work. So you go to viewtotech.com. So you can click at any product you want to buy. For instance, you want to buy this product. This product is 189. You scroll down. Okay, you can see this is the product, and the price. I'll show the price here, and these are related products. Is it still downloading? Yeah, okay, this is the price here. So what do? We add to cart. Now when we add to cart, you can see we have 3 in the cart. Then we can say click on cart, then we say checkout. We want to check out now. When you click on checkout, it's gonna give you the prices, and then you're gonna pay. When you check out, it's gonna give you what while you type in your country address where you want them to deliver. I can say 55 New York Road, or New York Avenue. Then city, we can say New York. Okay. Province, you can say New York if you want to do that. Selected country, you can select and say US. If you say US, let me say USA. Okay, why I don't see America? Samoa, America. Let's check New York. Yeah, okay, let me see American Samoa. Okay, whatever you choose your postcode, maybe 2000. Then you choose state, New York. Okay, then phone number, we can say put it any phone number. Then email address, you can put the email address mm@gmail.com. okay, create account. If you want to create account, you wanna put option, you can put an option, then you say next. After you click next, you can see that it gives you all the prices, and they say order now. You can say it says Payfast. Payfast was selected. Okay, say billing information needed. First name, you can say or say okay, Bridge, and last name, say Smith. Okay, after that you can say add to cart. Oh, back. Wow, I've already done that. I don't know what happened. Okay, let me go back here and say buy that, because we already put in some information. I wonder if it kept it. If it did, then it's gonna be fine. Then we say next. What you have to say next. Okay, it takes you here, and then it's gonna show you Payfast. Okay, then you say previous order, then it's place order. Then when you place order, it say billing name is required, billing last name is required, state or country is required. Okay, it says what billing state, billing state, county is required. So what is required there? Name is red, what's gonna be bridge. Then your last name is gonna be it's gonna be what? It's gonna be Smith, Mr. Smith. Then let's look at that. Okay, state or country is required. NY, New York, we can take that. And then we say next. Okay, name is required. I wonder why is it telling me this, because I'm done putting that. Place order. I'm placing an order. We wanna see how it works before we install it. Okay, when you place an order, it's gonna take you here. You can see here it takes you here, and then when you here, you can give you your total. Then it's a credit and check card, whatever, instant EFT, whatever you want to choose, debit card, whatever you want to choose here, you choose that. In case you want to use a MasterCard, click there, then you put in your MasterCard stuff, whatever, and also you put in the whatever and that, and then say pay. Once you pay, it's gonna send a notification in your phone. Then in this case, it's gonna be client. It's gonna be client gonna receive the notification. Then after receiving the notification, then he's gonna approve all the OTP stuff. Then the payments gonna go through. So that's the way Payfast work. And if you're happy with that, then we're gonna go to our tutorial 2 to do what? To install it. So Viewtotech. No, we're gonna go use this domain called beauty tips, not beauty and tips. We're using beauty tips. Okay, beautytips.com. After that, otherwise taking this longer. So tips, beautytips.com.co.za, enter. Okay, we on the website, but I wonder why it's giving us some white page. But anyway, we won't mind much about that. We're gonna say w. Okay, we're gonna log into the backend, and we gonna put in the password. Okay, once you put in the password, we can say remember this password. So we remember. So one of the things you don't have to forget is you must install Payfast, WooCommerce first, and you use Payfast. It's gonna be easier for you. Then you go to plugins. Then you look for, because you have to install Payfast, WooCommerce first. You can see I've installed WooCommerce first already. Then it's there. Then you can look for Payfast. Then you enter, search. When you search, you can see WooCommerce, Payfast, gateway, payment gateway. So you can take that and install. After installation, you're gonna say, you can see there are many. If you're using WooCommerce, install for WooCommerce. If you've Give, install for Give. If you use membership, whatever, put that. If you're using a different thing, then install for different things. So but now in this case, we're using WooCommerce. Then you activate this plugin. After activation of the plugin, then you can now go and set it up. So WooCommerce, okay, Payfast. Then you say settings. When you go to settings, that's where you set up everything. So here you can general, in general, you have to see all those information. You select you type in your address, all this information, fill it up. It's easier. You can enable using coupons. Okay, calculate coupon discounts or whatever, you can choose that. Currency, United States US dollars, you can change to your country if you want to. You click there, and after that you see all those setups are easy. And you say products. When you click on product, the product page should be on what? On shop. If you set up that, it's fine. So you can leave most of things like this the way they are. Shipping, you can also decide on shipping, which is better for you. If you leave it like the way it are, then you're gonna set up maybe the shipping fees, shipping zones and stuff. That's a different tutorial. Payments, click on payments and start deciding what you need. Direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, PayPal standard, or Payfast, whatever you want to choose. It will give you a chance to use PayPal. If you want to, you can use that standard, and also you can switch on Payfast if you want to. Switch it on, it's on. Okay, once it's on, you can also click on setup. Okay, once you're in setup, then we were here before, so you can see account and stuff. That's when you're gonna do all of these. You read this, you read this, read this. Then after, go to emails. Where do you want the email to receive the emails? You want to receive them on your normal email, or you want to receive them on the company email, the order email, whatever. Orders, failed orders, cancellation. You can create different emails, setting up them here. If the order fails, it should come to which email. If the order is cancelled, it should come to which email. If the order is on hold, it should come to which email. Order in process should be in which email. Complete orders should be refunds. All that you have to set it up if you want to. Integrations, this is where you gonna do what you put in your merchant key. This merchant key is found in your Payfast account. Go to Payfast, maybe .com, maybe .co.za, sorry about that. Then you get that merchant key, you have to put it in here, and once you put in there, then you save the changes. Then the money is gonna be connected to this account of yours. And advanced here, there's a couple of things you have to do here. First, checkout and stuff. All these things are self-explanatory. What you got to do is just you want to know how to install. Then you start saving up, clicking on each and every tab here. Then you're gonna learn how it works. But anyways, installation, we're done with the installation. But I recommend to use Payfast for WooCommerce. And I think it's something which I've used, that's why I'm talking like that. Okay, don't take my words, but that's what I've used, which is working 100%. And I've showed you one of the websites I set it up on. Then it's up to you to change or to stay where you are, but our tutorial is covered. So if you want anything to ask, please comment in the comment box below. And please guys, we really beg you, don't forget to subscribe, and we appreciate your support. We are nothing without you guys. That you know it very well. Don't think you are the one who makes a difference on this channel, because if it wasn't you, I don't think we would be here. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.